I will do something. I think after Dishum is very different from Dilwale, and after that, whatever I do will be totally different from what I'm looking. I'll work on something that I'll look different. But right now, I think let's just stick to Spectre and Dilwale and all that's going on with it. Last one.
Speculate.
I think it's going to be his last one because I think that's what he said or whatever. And I've been a fan of what he's done with the character. So, plus I'm doing a film called Dishum, which is, I'm not saying is in the Bond space, but it's a thriller and stuff like that. So, it's interesting to watch stuff, the way they do the action or the way it's shot and stuff. It's inspiring.
बचपन में कुछ बॉन्ड को लेके कुछ यादें रही हैं अपने स्कूल के टाइम पे या कॉलेज के टाइम पे यू ट्राई टू एक्ट लाइक बॉन्ड और समथिंग लाइक
एक्चुअली जब मैं बहुत छोटा था तो पहला बॉन्ड जो मैंने देखा था वो अक्षय कुमार की बॉन्ड फिल्म थी. उन्होंने की थी ना कोई मिस्टर बॉन्ड. तो मुझे वो पहली याद थी. एंड देन ऑब्वियसली पियर्स ब्रॉसनन दैट वन. बट नो आई नेवर ट्राई टू एक्ट लाइक अ स्पाई, दो इट्स वेरी कूल टू बिहेव लाइक अ स्पाई. But I do things that spies do in real life which you all don't find out about, and I get away with those things.
बात करें सेंसर बोर्ड ने अभी रिसेंटली एक रेटिंग पास की जहां पे
उन लोग ने तो देख ली ना, हम लोग को नहीं मिला देखने को.
So what do you want to say about that?
Are you as a fan, as somebody who watches Bond films, upset by?
Are they too liberal or?
I'm going to get to see the unedited version right now.
Okay.
But what do you want to say
It's
about
the
that?
unedited
But
version.
for
I
the
think it's
fact
the
many
unedited version.
of James Bond fans won't get to see.
Yeah, they won't get to see. They won't get. It's sad. I mean, but I guess it depends what rules and regulations they have. It has to fit within that. The reason I'm not complaining much is because I had a release this year, Badlapur, and which had pretty hardcore stuff in it. But the censor board passed it, and it got an A rating, and it got passed. But I don't know what they've exactly cut. But I heard that Sanskari Bond thing, which is doing the rounds.
Huge chunk of Monica Bellucci and kissing scene has been cut.
That side would have been fun to see that, I guess.
Okay,
And if given a chance, would you ever be James Bond? And who would be your Bond girl?
Bond girl, yeah.
Definitely. I mean, given a chance, why would you refuse that? Right? It would be interesting. But I would like to do it in my way over here and do something original with Indian script. And the Bond girl, I think that will completely depend on the director, I guess. And but definitely she'd have to be an Indian girl. I mean, we wouldn't go out and get someone from there. But
But we are taking the challenge really seriously.
They've got to stand up, yeah.
What about this?
What do you see yourself in a particular image that you probably thought of?
No, you see, I'm a very big fan of wrestling, and I've followed Batista since then, and I know him. And I think he was at an interview, and someone told him that he tried to. What I know about it is that he asked that, do people know me or know wrestling about that? So they said that there's this actor and this, that. So I think he saw a picture of mine or whatever. So he said, I'll throw this challenge. I don't think he expected me to answer it or accept or whatever. But it's done in a fun way. It's nothing very serious or anything that way. But I mean, he called me out, so I answered. I mean,
You declared you're not done.
There's nothing. Yeah.
With that challenge that you accepted now.
Maybe, depends. I would actually get into a different avatar for a role, and I want a role where I could, transform and stuff like that. Very soon, I will do something. I think after Dishum is very different from Dilwale, and after that, whatever I do will be totally different from what I'm looking. I'll work on something that I'll look different. But right now, I think let's just stick to Spectre and Dilwale and all that's going on with it.
007, who do you think can really do justice in India?
Playing the Bond, yeah.
Playing a Bond role, I think Hrithik Roshan's already played a spy, and I think he was pretty good at it. So for me, it'll be Hrithik.
Apart from Hrithik Roshan, any other actor?
Another actor. I think Akshay Kumar as well. I think he's really fit, and he's got his way with the ladies as well. So
Okay. Thank you so much.
thank you.